Welcome back everyone. Today I will introduce you MIMO Code, a best alternative to Claude Code. The MIMO Code is introduced by Xiaomi MIMO and it already got 9K star just in a few days. And this MIMO Code as coding assistant can read, write code, run commands, manage Git, and use persistent memory system. It means that to keep understanding of your project, it means, for example, you left your project on Saturday and on Monday you don't need to recap your project, but it already knows about your project, the rules, the structure, everything about your project. And the best part is that it is free for limited time channel, so you can start with zero configuration. But if you would like to use your own LLM provider, so you can connect your API with this also. So the installation method is just by this command, so we will install and use it later. But let's come here to the core feature of MIMO Code. It isn't just a general agent, but it has the build, plan, and compose agents. It means multiple agents. And the persistent memory, so it means that it will keep the knowledge about your project, the rules, the architectures, everything about your project, insertion checkpoints, scratch note, task projects, and also if you assign a big task to this, so it will just divide that to different tasks. So there are more features that you can go through these, but let's first of all install and use it. Okay, so let's copy this command. Simply copy this command, open an empty folder, right click and open in terminal. It means open this folder inside the terminal. After opening that, right click to paste that command, npm install globally MIMO AI CLI. So press enter to install this. The MIMO CLI has been installed. So after installing, it says to run this, simply just come here and just write MIMO to run this. Okay, so come here to the terminal and write MIMO, press enter. So it is asking for the folder. Do you trust on this? Yes, press enter. I trust on this folder, so it will open now the MIMO Code CLI, as you can see. So here now we can directly chat with us, and by pressing tab button we can change from build to plan mode. Press OK. It has been changed to plan mode, or back to compose mode, back to build mode. So it is changing the mode for us. And by using Ctrl+P, we can move to the settings, add sign for attaching file, and $sign for sub-agent, and slash for commands. So let's, for example, come here to the models, /models, press enter. So we have different models here that you can see. Let's check the list of the models provided by Xiaomi MIMO. So it is free for limited time. Like let's try like Hermes 3, this was free, and GMA 431 billion free, GMA 426 billion free. So we have different options to use it for free. You can go through all these models. Free models router. We will change to a free model, okay, like MIMO. So MIMO V2 Flash, these are MIMO, like MIMO R2. MIMO Auto is free. Okay, we can use that. Default medium. So it says to use MIMO Code, you agree to our terms of services. Yes, agree and continue. So hello, how can I help you to do? So the MIMO Auto is free, version 2.5. So it is using MIMO version 2.5. So if you would like to connect a provider, so for that simple /connect. So then you can connect Xiaomi MIMO Auto, which is free, and import from Claude Code and other provider. For other providers, just select this and you can go through which provider you are using, like API. Just you need the API key to submit and use that inside MIMO Code. So it was all about just an overview from MIMO Code, free open source CLI tool, which is alternative to Claude Code. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button and also leave a comment if you have any issue installing or configuring the MIMO Code. And this was all about this. Thanks for watching.